20 Sad Truths About Relationship. Not all relationships last forever, no matter how deeply you love each other. Sometimes, the person you love most becomes the one who hurts you the deepest. The hardest part about walking away from someone is when you realize that no matter how slow you go, they will never run after you. Sometimes the hardest part of a relationship is deciding whether you should give it one more chance or walk away. Love is giving someone the power to destroy you, but trusting them not to? One of the saddest truths about love is that not only the vows are broken, but hearts too. Relationships end, but feelings don't disappear. There are two ways to be fooled. One is to believe what isn't true. The other is to refuse to believe what is true. It's sad when someone you know becomes someone you knew. The worst kind of pain is when you're smiling, just to stop the tears from falling. The saddest thing about love is that not only the love, but even the hope is lost. It's sad when you realize you aren't as important to someone as you thought you were. The truth hurts, but secrets kill. Sometimes, the people you love the most turn out to be the people you can trust the least. The saddest thing about love is that not only the love, but even the memories fade away. You'll never realize the value of what you have until what you have is no longer yours. It's sad how someone can go from being the reason you wake up smiling to the reason you cry yourself to sleep. The sad truth is that most people are only nice to you when they need something from you. People change for two main reasons. Either their minds have been opened, or their hearts have been broken. The most painful goodbyes are the ones that are never said and never explained. Dear friends, as we come to the end of our conversation about the tough truths of relationships, let's remember that love isn't always a smooth ride. It's like a bumpy road with both bright and tough moments. We've talked about how love can start happily, but later become sad. It's okay to feel that way. Many of us go through it. It's important to understand that not all relationships last forever, and that's all right too. Now, here's the thing. While love can be amazing, it can also be hard. Sometimes people we trust can hurt us. But here's my advice. Always listen to your gut feeling. If something doesn't feel right, it's okay to step back and think. Remember, even though sad things happen, they don't define our whole story. We can learn from the tough times and grow stronger. Don't be afraid to talk about your feelings and get support from friends and family. So, let's face the sad truths while also keeping hope in our hearts. It's okay to be careful, but don't let fear stop you from opening up to new possibilities. You've got this. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Take care and be kind to yourselves.
Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more updates.